Hardwood flooring might look amazing, but it can be a total headache if you're not careful with the right prep and materials. So, here's the deal if you're thinking about putting down hardwood or similar floors yourself. First off, always pick commercial-grade laminate flooring in a light color instead of engineered wood for your home. It's thicker and tougher, which means it handles wear and tear way better. Don't trust the hype that says you don't need underlayment. Always lay down a 6mm plastic vapor barrier, followed by felt under the floor. This combo stops moisture and adds some cushion, which your floors desperately need. Also, thicker laminate planks are easier to snap in place, saving you time and frustration during installation. Remember, lighter colors hide scratches better, especially if you've got pets or kids running around like crazy. When cutting boards, measure twice and cut once, because those mistakes add up fast. Lastly, keep a humidifier handy if your house gets dry. Hardwood hates shrinking and cracking in low humidity. One of the biggest mistakes people make with hardwood or laminate floors is skipping the right underlayment, which can lead to squeaky, uneven floors that don't last. Fix this by always using at least a 6mm plastic barrier plus felt padding underneath. Another common issue is picking the wrong type of flooring. Engineered wood might seem like a good idea, but ends up getting damaged easily in residential settings. Go for commercial-grade laminate instead. Lastly, a lot of folks think all laminate floors are the same thickness or durability. Choosing thinner or lower quality planks means you'll be replacing floors sooner than you want. Stick with thicker, commercial-grade options for longevity and better wear resistance. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors get connected with real work, making it easier for everyone to get projects done right the first time.